During the 2021 KZ Adventure Rally, we had the opportunity to visit the KZ factory. At this time, they were building the Venom V Series toy haulers. There's several already almost ready to go. They did mention that they were waiting for some parts for some of them to ship out, but their assembly of these are mostly done. So the assembly starts with a chassis that's custom built for this specific floor plan. It comes with the leveling already. The V Series has electric leveling. The Venom has hydraulic leveling. When they bring in the chassis, they first flip it over and put in the tanks and the underbelly, then flip it back over and start wiring, etc. from the top. Here they already added some flooring for the bedroom, the aluminum deck that goes above the basement storage, as well as some flooring here. And since the Venom is a toy hauler, they added the garage flooring with the railing to attach your toys to. As you can see, there's a lot of aluminum construction going on in these units. One thing they recently changed is they went to Asdil, a composite wall structure that's less sensitive to water intrusion. With these RVs, they start building construction inside out, so a lot of them, you can already see some of the cabinets in there before the exterior is finished. The slides will be added later. The slides are built as a whole. They reuse the cutouts from the Asdil to build the actual slide outs. Here is assembly of the roof. Again, all aluminum construction, which was impressive to see. So they assembly all the cross members, and then they put it together and also put in the air conditioning ducts before it's even put on top of the unit. And now we're a little further down the line, and they've added some graphics, and we got to look at one unit that was almost completed. It was towards the end of the complete assembly line. Got to see the inside and see the results with the slides added, the non-carpet flooring. Did need some furniture still, but even the TV's already in there. All the cabinets are complete. Kitchen is complete. Refrigerator is cardboarded up for protection. They still have to do some finishing touches on this unit. So it says like adding the mattress, etc. It does have the tilt bed. Bathroom is all ready to go. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe so you're notified of any future videos.